Hey, health enthusiasts! Do you find yourself battling health woes and experiencing the undeniable signs of aging taking a toll on your skin? Are you constantly feeling sluggish and drained, with your energy levels dropping throughout the day? Now imagine you wake up in the morning feeling refreshed with a sharp mind and body brimming with energy. You possess glowing skin, strong bones, and an immune system ready to tackle anything that comes its way. This transition can easily be observed by incorporating minerals into your diet. Minerals are not only an incredible energy source to uplift your body's functions and supercharge your immune system, but they also possess a magical ability to bestow you with vibrant, youthful skin. Studies reveal that zinc is an active ingredient in sunscreen. It protects your skin from harmful radiation by acting as an antioxidant and makes your bones healthy. Similarly, copper produces collagen and elastin that retain your skin's elasticity, while selenium has the best remedial effects for acne-prone skin. Moreover, potassium and sodium are responsible for supporting different organs and maintaining your body's pH level. See, you can witness the benefits of these building blocks of health yourself. But how to consume them in the best proportions? While many mineral supplements are available, food is still the ultimate source of uptaking these vital components. Therefore, we have brought 10 tempting foods that are delicious and packed with an abundance of essential minerals that your body craves. But before moving forward, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the treasure trove of captivating videos related to health, beauty, and skin. 1. Avocado. Avocados are a great source of minerals like potassium, magnesium, and copper, which play key roles in supporting everything from healthy blood pressure to nerve function and energy production. These power-packed foods also burst with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which lower bad cholesterol levels and keep your ticker in tip-top shape. Plus, they're loaded with fiber, which aids digestion and makes you feel stuffed after a meal. Now, let's talk about versatility. Avocados are like the chameleons of the culinary world. You can enjoy them in various ways: spread on toast, tossed into salads, blended into smoothies, or whipped into a heavenly batch of guacamole. The options are endless. 2. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are an absolute treasure trove of minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. These mighty minerals play crucial roles in supporting your immune system, building strong bones, and even helping to regulate your blood sugar levels. But wait, there's more. These legumes are also an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber. They'll keep you full and satisfied while providing a sustainable energy boost throughout the day. Say goodbye to those mid-afternoon energy slumps. 3. Cocoa. Are you a sweet tooth who craves delicious chocolate desserts? We have great news for you. Cocoa products are rich in minerals like magnesium, zinc, and magnesium, supplementing functions like growth, metabolism, and cell formation. It also controls sugar levels in the blood and keeps your heart healthy. However, a general consideration indicates that 80% of cocoa intake is ideal for various health benefits. Another major benefit of cocoa is a cure for skin-related problems. The presence of zinc in dark chocolates fights acne and provides your skin with a smooth texture. Plus, some good fats in cocoa nourish your body and promote brain function. 4. Leafy greens. Plants have always been an essential component of a healthy diet. But what if I say you can get various minerals from this nature's gift? A perfect example of energy food. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and lettuce are loaded with minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron that are building blocks of strong bones and optimal muscle function. This green miracle is also packed with dietary fibers and has low calories for easy digestion and ideal weight management. Whether you're a seasoned veggie lover or just dipping your toes into the world of leafy greens, this mineral wonder can nourish your body, tantalize your taste buds, and make you feel like the healthiest version of yourself. 5. Mushrooms. It is not wrong to call mushrooms nature's little mineral factory. They contain an impressive array of minerals such as potassium, copper, and selenium, and are also known for trace amounts of essential minerals like zinc and manganese. These minerals provide powerful antioxidants to combat oxidative stress and fight cancer symptoms. Mushrooms are also low in calories, fat-free, and packed with dietary fiber. They provide a satisfying bite while aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut. Hence, a win-win situation for your taste buds and your overall wellness. Mushrooms are the star ingredient in a hearty mushroom risotto. Add depth to a flavorful stir-fry, or even take center stage as delicious stuffed mushrooms. 6. Milk and yogurt. Whether a tall glass of ice-cold milk or a spoonful of yogurt melting in your mouth, a creamy texture in each sip or bite not only tastes great, but also gives your body a significant dose of minerals like calcium, potassium, and phosphorus. These minerals are the finest step towards strong bones and teeth. Other names include zinc and magnesium, which are imperative for better immune function, aid in metabolism, and contribute to overall well-being. Let's not forget the beauty benefits of these delicious dairy products. Whether you feast upon these natural wonders or indulge in the luxurious realm of skincare products enriched with their essence, the results for your skin are nothing short of awe-inspiring. They are a valuable source of protein responsible for muscle growth and repair. 7. Shellfish. Shellfish are the ocean's mineral-packed delicacies containing iron, zinc, selenium, and even trace amounts of copper and iodine. These minerals are vital for healthy blood, strong immunity, and optimal thyroid function. These exquisite ocean delicacies hold a treasure trove of essential amino acids that construct and revitalize your body's tissues. Hence, indulging in these marine marvels is a guilt-free pleasure as they boast low fat and calories. From crispy crab cakes to creamy lobster bisque, these sea gems can be prepared in mouth-watering ways. So, whether you plan to enjoy a seaside vacation or crave a taste of the ocean, don't miss out on the mineral-rich goodness of shellfish. 8. Salmons. Salmons are nutritional powerhouses with significant minerals and essential elements. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and potassium that nourishes your body from head to toe. These vital components facilitate better heart functioning, aid DNA synthesis, and enhance reproductive health. With its high-quality protein that delivers all the essential amino acids, you may rest assured of building healthy muscles and bones. As a low-saturated fish, it is the best diet for people who crave healthy and flavorful meals. 9. Seeds. Seeds can be precisely called a small package with big nutritional benefits. These small yet mighty wonders are not only packed with essential minerals, but also bring a delightful crunch and a world of flavor to your dishes. Minerals, including magnesium, zinc, calcium, and iron, play a unique role in various body functions, while their antioxidant properties reduce the impacts of aging. Moreover, dietary fibers and omega-3 greatly trigger weight loss and reduce heart disease. Seeds can be the perfect addition to your salads, sprinkled on top of smoothie bowls, or incorporated into baked goods. You can even enjoy it as a crunchy snack. 10. Tofu. Tofu packs a powerful punch of plant-based goodness, delivering an essential dose of minerals, including magnesium, zinc, calcium, and iron. This versatile soy-based delight supports bone health, enhances blood circulation, and improves overall well-being. Plus, with its low saturated fat and cholesterol content, tofu becomes an excellent choice for promoting a healthy heart. No matter how you decide to incorporate tofu into your culinary adventures, whether it's sizzling in a stir-fry, tantalizing your taste buds in a delicious tofu scramble, adding a luscious touch to creamy desserts, or seamlessly substituting meat in your favorite recipes, tofu effortlessly adapts to satisfy diverse tastes and preferences. If you are seeking the ultimate solution to supercharge your daily diet with essential minerals, we've got your back. Presenting K-Lava Bamboo Herbal Salt. Want to experience a twist of sulfur salt in your food? Head over to K-Lavasalt. K-Lava Bamboo Herbal Salt, your perfect partner in health excellence, a 9 times baked bamboo salt manufactured by Nsanga Company. Packed with a remarkable collection of 55 essential minerals, this high-quality bamboo salt goes above and beyond to provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that purify your blood and safeguard against the risk of cancer, tumors, and heart diseases. But that's not all. Our bamboo salt takes it to the next level. It not only offers a rich source of minerals, but also enhances their absorbability, ensuring that your body can make the most of these vital nutrients. So, it's time to say goodbye to traditional supplements and embrace the natural superiority of K-Lava Bamboo Salt. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Hope to see you in the next one. Our website and store at K-Lavasalt.com.